My name is Angelo Lagazo from grade 2C Ruby. We will do an experiment for our topic today in science, liquid to solid. We need 4 popsicle sticks, a popsicle tray, and some juices. So first, we put popsicle stick in here like that. Now we will put the liquids or the juices. Now we will put it in the freezer. Guys, this is Mogu Mogu. This is Greek yogurt drink. It is apple, cinnamon, and oats. This is Greek yogurt, strawberry flavor. And this is Greek yogurt, blueberry flavor. Now we will put it in the freezer. We call that process as freezing. Okay, it is freezing point with 0 degrees Celsius. Oops! Let's wipe off the excess. Are you ready? Yes, we're ready. Let's put it here first. Then open the freezer. And then put it in the freezer. Oops, let's find a place first. By the way, I just made this for fun. Time to put it there. Now let's wait for a few hours. Then we'll come back. Guys, I think the ice pops are ready. Let's see. Guys, the ice pops are ready. Let's eat. Turned into solid now.